Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to star a folder on Dropbox with the latest update. Starring a folder is a great way to keep your important files right at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to quickly access what you need without endless searching. Whether you're managing work documents, personal projects, or shared folders, this simple feature helps you stay organized and efficient. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're in, take a look at the options at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This section displays all your folders and files in one place, so it's the best spot to find the folder you want to star. Next, scroll through your list or use the search bar to locate the specific folder you want to mark as a favorite. Once you've found it, look to the right side of the folder's name. You'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the menu icon that holds extra options for that folder. Tap those 3 dots to open the menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see a list of options related to managing your folder. Look for the one labeled Star. Tap it, and just like that, the folder is starred. This means Dropbox will now treat this folder as one of your favorites, making it easier to find later, especially if you have many folders stored in your account. If you're ever ready to unstar the folder, simply follow the same steps. Tap the 3 dots next to the starred folder, and then tap Unstar. It's an easy way to keep your starred list updated and relevant to your current needs. Starring folders in Dropbox is a quick, handy way to streamline your workflow and keep the files that matter most within easy reach. Just remember, open the app, tap Files, find the folder, tap the 3 dots, and then tap Star. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.